In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get today's date in Excel using the today function. This is a quick and useful Excel skill that can save time, especially if you're working on trackers, reports, templates, or any worksheet that needs to show the current date automatically. The great thing about the today function is that Excel updates it based on the current date, so you don't have to type the date manually each day. To begin, open your Excel workbook. This should be the file where you want today's date to appear. Once your workbook is open, go to the worksheet where you want to place the date. Next, select the cell where you want today's date to display. For this example, click on cell A2. Of course, you can use any cell you want, but we'll use A2 here to keep things simple and easy to follow. Now that the cell is selected, it's time to enter the formula. Click in cell A2, then type an equal sign, followed by the word today, then an opening parenthesis and a closing parenthesis. The formula should look like this: equals today, open parenthesis, close parenthesis. After typing the formula, press enter on your keyboard. As soon as you do that, Excel will return today's date in the cell. At this point, you should see the current date appear in A2. For example, if today's date were July 7th, 2026, Excel might display it as 7/7/2026. Depending on your computer's regional settings or the formatting applied to the cell, the date could also appear as 07/07/2026, 7 July 2026, or in another standard date format. So if your result looks slightly different, that's completely normal. The important thing is that Excel is showing the current date. One helpful thing to remember is that the today function does not need any information inside the parentheses. You simply type the function name with empty parentheses and Excel handles the rest. And that's it. You've successfully inserted today's date in Excel using the today function. It's a simple formula, but it can be extremely useful in everyday spreadsheets. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.